Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. The upcoming iPhone SE 3 2022 will start at 300 US dollar. Talking about the world's largest and most popular smartphone market companies, the name of Apple will probably be taken first. Every year, Apple launches new models of its flagship smartphone iPhone. According to the news, next month in March 2022, Apple is going to launch its chipset 5G iPhone. Let us know when and at what price the iPhone SE 3 2022 can be launched. A report in Investors Business Daily claimed that the low capital markets analyst John Dunham has said that he has heard the news that Apple's new 5G iPhone, the iPhone SE 3 2022, is priced at 300 US dollar. Let us tell you that this is much less than the previous model of this iPhone because the iPhone SE 2 2022 start at 399 US dollar. Reports say that there is a big reason behind Apple reducing the price of its iPhone SE 3 2022. In December 2021, JP Morgan analysts have estimated that Apple want to make more and more Android users able users by launching this new iPhone. While no information has come from Apple about this phone, a lot of things have come to the fore about this smartphone through leaks and tapes. Many reports believe that the iPhone SE 3 2022 may be launched at Apple annual spring launch event. It is being said that this spring event of Apple will start on March 8, 2022. Not much information has been revealed about the features of the iPhone SE 3 2022, but if reports are to be believed, then this iPhone can work on the company's latest A15 Bionic chip, on which the iPhone 13 series works. Its design will be similar to the iPhone SE 2 2022 and you can get the same standard Touch ID glass front and aluminum frame in it. According to report, the announcement will take place on March 8 or close to this date. One of the new products will be the third generation iPhone SE 3 smartphone, which according to rumors has already been put into the mass production. The device will inherit the design of the 2020 model, but at the same time, it will receive an improvement technical part, the A15 Bionic processor, a 5G modem and an improved camera. In addition, the updated iPad Air tablet is expected to adapt at the March event, which will also receive 5G support. Also in June, Apple will hold the traditional worldwide developers conference dedicated to new software product, and for the first of this year, the company has scheduled the largest presentation in its history. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.